Let's solve for x in this question. It says 4 to the power of x is equal to 36. How do you solve for x? First thing you can see here is that 4 is equal to 2 squared. Okay? And then 36 is equal to 2 squared times 3 squared. Hence, we have that 4 raised to the power x will be equal to, okay, 2 squared all raised to the power of x, which is equal to 2 squared times 3 squared. Okay? This implies that we now have 2 to the power of 2x to be equal to 2 squared times 3 squared. Okay? Let's take the log in base 2 of both sides. So we have log in base 2 of 2 to the power of 2x is equal to log in base 2 of 2 squared times 3 squared. Okay? From here you now have 2x times log in base 2 of 2, okay, to be equal to log in base 2 of 2 squared plus log in base 2 of 3 squared. Moving on, you have that log in base 2 cancels 2, so we have 2x is equal to log in base 2 of 2 squared can be expressed as 2 times log in base 2 of 2 plus log in base 3 of log in base 2 of 3 squared. Now, from here you can have x to be equal to 2 times log in base 2 of 2 plus 2 times log in base 3 of 2 all over 2. Log in base 2 of 2 is 1, so we have x is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1, so we have 1 plus log in base 3 of 2. Sorry, log in base 2 of 3, rather. So this becomes the final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching.